Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Robin. The habit of mindfulness meditation is an exercise for disciplining the mind and bringing calmness and serenity. There's no wrong way to start the habit, and there are many benefits. If you have headphones and are in a safe place, it can greatly improve the experience. Now, sit upright and relaxed. Rest your hands on your lap. Let your eyelids relax and droop to the point of nearly being closed. Or watch the video if you choose. Feel the breath at the tip of your nose as you breathe in and out. Don't work at it, just be aware of the feeling. There's no need to count your breaths, just feel. This is what you will bring your attention back to throughout the meditation. The final stage of recovery is committing to service of others. We do this because of the spiritual experience we have had. We live in such a way that others see the benefits of recovery we enjoy. We also strive to share the recovery message with others to show recovery is possible for them too. Within the limits of our personal constraints and not overtaxing ourselves, we strive to put others' needs before our own whenever possible. We do what is asked as much as we can for the community and for our fellows. We practice the principles we have learned by living them. The practice of living the principles is the most enduring way to show how recovery has indeed taken place. We now walk the walk of one who was lost to our own issues of drink or drugs, overeating or gambling. It is our changed behavior that becomes an attraction to those who are suffering with their own issues that they would like to recover from. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, subscribe, share, and meditate. You can help support this effort through my Patreon page, Sitting with Nature. Thank you.